everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, for today, tayo po ay gagawa ng isang mag-unbox ng isang product na binili ko sa Shopee, and this product is the BM-800 Condenser. Bale, I ordered this item from a shop in Shopee, and i-attach ko lang sa baba sa description yung shop, and I will also include the price kasi ang napakasulit ng price nito. It ranges from 700 to 800 pesos only. Kasama na doon yung shipping free from Manila to Zamboanga. And so ayun na nga, ito yung box. Okay. Ito yung box ng BM-800 condenser natin. It's professional condenser microphone with patented audio reference compounding for crystal clear sound. Ayan. Kung napapansin nyo, natanggal ko na yung bubble wrap, but I will attach a picture here ng product na naka-bubble wrap. Okay, yun na nga. Mag-a-attach po ako ng picture ng product na naka-bubble wrap kasi I forgot na hindi ko pa pala na-shoot yung unboxing vlog ko for this. Kaya natanggal ko yung bubble wrap. Ayan. So, yung nakikita nyo is yung box na lang. For the box, it's okay. Wala siyang UP. Ang ganda ng box, kung mapapansin nyo, maayos siyang na-send. Eh, nung una kinakabahan ako kasi yung pinili kong career is yung napili kong career para sa item na ito is Ninja Van. So, okay. Yung napili ko is Ninja Van. Ayan, and mabilis naman siya dumating. Dumating siya before the expected time o estimated time of arrival or expected time of arrival. Parang I ordered this siguro mga 5 days ago, tas ngayon dumating na siya after 4 days. Considering it's also a time of quarantine in Manila, and yun na nga, lesser yung travels and all. Kaya nagulat ako, dumating siya bigla. Buti I already prepared for this. Okay. Now, let's check what is the contents of the box. Ayan. Nasa labas na, okay. Yung unang makikita natin is yung manual in Chinese. Siguro nanggaling to sa China. Broadcasting and recording microphone. Makikita dito yung specification, usage, frequency response clock, and the product service warranty na wala namang nagbabasa. Okay. Then next, kung mapapansin nyo, it's very much sealed siya. Yun yung maganda sa item na to. Sealed siya. Sealed siya. Ayan, buksan ko na ha. Ito yung, ito yung sinasabi nilang pop shield. Pop shield ba? Basta na rin ko sa iba, it's the pop shield. Okay. Audio shield din yung tawag ng iba, pero yung common na tinatawag na is pop shield. Next. Okay. Ito yung laman niya. Ang daming laman, guys. Okay. Oh my God. Narito yung BM-800 microphone. It's in gold. BM-800 microphone. Then we also have the pop filter. Ito yung pop filter. Pop filter man. Filter shield. Pop filter, basta yun na. Ito yung nilalagay natin dito para ma-avoid natin yung mga sounds ng hangin or electric fan, so on and so forth. Now next, this is the wire. Microphone, high-grade, low-noise microphone cable. Microphone cable. Then, ito yung nilalagay natin sa table. Hindi ko lang ano tawag dito. Tapos, ito yung nilalagyan ng microphone. Shock. As what I've read, this is shock-proof daw. Shock-proof. Mayroon din tayong USB cable for the audio. And we also have ganda niya. Naka-plastic rin siya, guys. It's sealed. Ayan. Ito yung dito nilalagay yung ating microphone condenser. So, ayan. Complete naman siya. Pero ang problema ko lang, guys, hindi ako naka-order ng V8 sound card. Yun na nga, akala ko okay lang na walang V8 sound card. Pero, I have this audio splitter na gagamitin ko. I-check natin kung maganda ba, because in some of the videos I read and nalaman ko na maganda man din gumamit ng audio splitter kung wala kang audio sound card, V8 sound card or audio interface. Yeah. Kung wala ka nun, kasi wala pa tayong budget, ito na lang muna yung gagamitin nating audio splitter. So, i-set up ko muna siya guys, then I'll be back. Then, itetest natin yung sounds niya, kung maganda nga ba, and if it's really worth the price.
Thousand years later.
Ayan G, so naka-set up na po yung BM-800 condenser natin. Ngayon, itetest natin siya. Itetest natin yung BM-800 condenser natin. At dahil na nga, wala akong sound card, and I think aayusin ko yung arrangement ng table. Kasi nga sa maling lugar ko siya nilagay. Ilalagay natin yung cord niya dito sa audio splitter. Ito yung male, tapos ito daw yung female. Yun lang, itutusok na dito for the audio. Ayan. So, ito yung sound, ito yung original sound ng phone ko, yung Redmi Note 9S na ginagamit ko. So, I will attach the audio, I will attach the BM-800 condenser. Tapos, i-check natin kung may sounds, kung gumagana ba talaga siya. So again guys, this is the sound of my Redmi Note 9S without the BM-800 condenser, and itutusok ko yung condenser natin. Ayan, so hello sound check. This is now the sound of the BM-800 professional condenser. Sound check, testing mic check, 1, 2, 3. Tignan natin kung gumagana and worth it ka talaga. Worth it ka ba talaga siya? Price na, and kung magagamit ko ba talaga siya sa aking mga vlogs, unboxings, and all. Ayan. Again, sound check, 1, 2, 3. Sound check, hello. Testing mic check. Sound, hello. Hello. Again, this is the sound coming from the BM-800 professional condenser that I bought in Shopee a few days ago. Ayan. So, hindi ko narinig yung sound niya ngayon. Siguro mamaya kapag i-edit ko na yung video ko, dun ko pa malalaman kung okay nga ba talaga siya and kung maganda nga ba talaga yung sound. Again, ito po yung BM-800 condenser. I'm not using a V8, BM. Yeah, yun na nga. I'm not using a V8 sound card or any audio interface. I'm just using an audio splitter kasi nga wala pa po tayong sound card. So, yun lang. Salamat. Okay. So, oh my God. So, nakikita nyo, may ikot natin siya kung nasaan man kayo. Sa taas, sa baba, paikot-ikot pa. Ayan. So, kung nagustuhan nyo po yung video na ginawa ko, kindly give me a thumbs up, or kung may something pa ba ako na kailangan i-improve sa aking mga reviews, sa aking mga video, so kindly comment down below. And if you have such suggestions for my next videos, kindly comment below. I always do accept criticisms, because it's not criticism at all, because I know these comments will always help me to improve my skills in vlogging, my skills in editing, and everything that I do. So yun na nga po. And sa lahat po ng bago pa sa channel ko, kindly press the subscribe button sa ibaba and to hit the notification bell for you to be updated every time I upload my videos, my vlogs, my unboxings, and my e-class sa channel ko. Ayun na nga po. And salamat sa aking almost 600, not 600, I'm assuming ko. Salamat sa aking almost 500 subscribers. And ayan po, keep sharing our videos, keep liking our videos, and keep spreading love, positivity, and everything. Ayan po, maraming salamat. Thank you. Bye-bye!